There's dramatic changes in the field of technology, in the field of socio-political affairs, in the competitive landscape around the world. Handling all of these complex issues requires a new look at leadership.
And we felt that the gap is too big to be filled up, which is why we thought that we needed to design a long-term program with focus on the decision making at the senior levels in organizations. We named this program as the Senior Leadership Program because it was meant to reinforce the leadership skills of people, and it was also meant for participants who are coming from a senior level in organizations.
XLRI is a pioneering institute when it comes to management education in India. Established way back in 1949. We have completed 75 years of its establishment, and we have been leaders in creating the best corporate senior leaders across disciplines.
Module 1 is Effective Leadership, Assessing Your Leadership Strengths. Module 2, Dynamics of Markets. Module 3, Leadership Communication. Module 4, Building a Responsible Organization, Sustainability and Ethics. Module 5, Creating Corporate Value. Module 6, Strategic Thinking for Leadership Growth. Module 7, Organizational Structure and HR Alignment. Module 8, Corporate Governance. Module 9, Enterprise Risk Management. Module 10, Digital Transformation in the Age of AI. Module 11, Creating High Performance Teams. And finally, Module 12, Leading Change. When it comes to the structure and pedagogy of this program has a duration of 12 months. It has been designed as that students will interact with us virtually twice a week, majorly on Saturdays and Sundays. Along with that, they will have a campus immersion of 5 days.
So this program will provide you with a launching pad to your new responsibilities as you rise up in your organizations.